start off this makeup look, I'm using the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. For foundation, I'm using my favorite, the Maybelline 24 Hour Superstay Foundation in the shade 120, and I'm just going to blend that out using my Beauty Blender. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm just going to blend that out using my Beauty Blender. To set my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 10. This has been my favorite setting powder lately. It just makes your face look so good, so flawless, so airbrushed. It adds extra coverage. It doesn't make you look dry or powdery. I love it. If anyone's wondering, my sweatshirt says I have more makeup than friends, which is totally true. I really love this sweatshirt. It's one of my favorites, and I'll leave it linked down in the description box in case if anyone is interested and wants to check it out. For this eye look today, I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm taking the shade Silk Cream and MFEO on a Morphe M504 brush, and I'm just working that into my crease and onto my lid. I'm being kind of sloppy about it because this is just a very, very simple eye look. This is the only shadows we're putting on our eyes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Taking translucent powder on a Morphe E47 brush, I am dragging that along the edge of my eyeshadow to create a very nice defined line so everything looks nice and clean. Since we applied the shadow very sloppy, I'm taking a clean Morphe E20 brush just to blend the crease and make everything look nice and blended so we don't have any harsh lines and everything just looks very soft. I'm taking the Jordana Easy Liner in the shade Brown Suede, and I'm just applying that to my lash line, and I'm being a little bit sloppy. This look is very sloppy. It's my go-to eye look when I don't know what to do or I'm in a rush. It's just very easy to do. You don't have to be nice and neat and precise. So I'm just making a sloppy line, and then I'm blending that line out with my Vintage Cosmetics Step 1 for the Money brush. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Taking the shade Silk Cream and MFEO on a Vintage Cosmetics Step 1 for the Money brush, I am just applying that to my lower lash line and then blending it out with the e.l.f. concealer brush so everything looks nice and soft. Then I added some Ardell Wispy Lashes, and now I'm going in with the Wander Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara to add mascara to the eye look, and that's pretty much it. The eyes are done. This is a very easy, very simple eye look. It's my go-to eye look when I'm in a rush or when I just don't know what to do. I love it, and it's perfect for this look. Taking the shade MFEO on a Vintage Cosmetics Step 1 for the Money brush, I am using this eyeshadow to contour my nose. And in my last video, I talked about having a new product that I have been contouring my nose with, and that it's been working wonderful for me, and this is it. I've been using this eyeshadow lately to contour my nose, and it just blends out so nicely. It looks so natural on my skin tone. It doesn't look as harsh as bronzer. I don't know, I just love it, and I won't be going back to bronzer or anything for contouring my nose unless if I find something even better than this eyeshadow. But I really love using this eyeshadow to contour my nose, and then now I'm blending that contour out using my e.l.f. Concealer brush, and If you can tell, it just blends out so fast and so nicely. It looks so good. I love it, and if you have a similar skin tone to mine, try using this eyeshadow to contour your nose. I bet you'll like it. And now to contour / bronze the rest of my face, I am taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Rosewood Bronzer like always, and my little Benefit Hula brush, and I'm just going to contour my cheekbones, my jawline, and yeah, that's pretty much it. The reason I always use this bronzer, if anyone wonders why I never switch it up, is because I've just been loving matte bronzer for my face lately, and a lot of my other bronzers have shimmer in it, so that's just why I've been sticking with this bronzer. Taking my Morphe M437 brush, I am just running that over the areas that I bronzed to blend everything out so everything looks very soft and we have no harsh lines. And then I'm going in with my Morphe R2 brush to apply that bronzer to my forehead. Taking my Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder in my Beauty Blender, I'm going to bake the areas that I contoured. For highlight, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit, and I'm taking the shade Glow Getter on a Morphe M510 brush, and I'm just applying that highlight to all the places I normally highlight. My cheekbones, the apples of my cheek, my chin, my cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose. For blush, I'm going in with the Urban Decay Afterglow blush in the shade Video on a Sonia Kashuk number 113 brush, and I'm just applying that to the apples of my cheeks and dragging it back into my cheekbones. Taking my Morphe M437 brush, I am just wiping away my bake, and I'm also running that brush along the rest of my face just to blend all the products together. And then I'm taking my MAC Fix Plus and I'm spraying my Beauty Blender, and I'm going to tap my Beauty Blender into my skin just to make everything look very nice and natural and melt all the products together so everything looks nice and blended and nothing looks too powdery. Taking the shade Forever Lit on a fluffy pencil brush, I am applying that to the inner corners of my eyes, and then I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in the shade Spice Girl to line my lips. The reason I want to save the inner corner of my eye and the lips for last is because I want to show how easily you could change up the vibe of this makeup look by switching the color of your inner corner and your lips. For example, I did a duochrome blue inner corner and a red lip for this makeup look, but you could do a pink inner corner and a pink lip if you wanted to. I'm using the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lady Balls. This is a gorgeous red, and I really love the formula of the Melted Matte Liquid Lipsticks. I really love how easy this makeup look is because it just makes it very easy to switch up your inner corner and your lipstick to fit your mood for the day, your vibe, your outfit, to just customize the look and make it however you want it. You can do a purple inner corner and a nude lip. You could do a gold inner corner and a brown lip. You can just really switch this look up and customize it, and that's what I love about it, because it is actually a very simple, easy makeup look, and it's just very easy to take the look up to the next level just by doing a bold lip and a cool inner corner. It's just so easy, and you can really fool people into thinking that you worked really hard on your makeup, but really it's very simple. To finish off this look, I'm just going to set my face using my MAC Fix Plus. this is the final makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I do this makeup look all the time. It's my go-to, easy, simple glam makeup look. It's very, very easy to do, and you can really just trick people into thinking that you took more time on your makeup than you actually did. Absolutely love the duochrome blue on the inner corner and the red lip. The red lip is stunning. I feel like I need to wear red lips more often than I do because they look so good. But like I said, you can switch up this makeup look to customize it to your own vibe by changing up the inner corner and the lip color. I have wore this makeup look with tons of different inner corners and lip colors, and it always looks good. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It would mean so much to me, especially today, the day that the video went live, July 23rd. It is my birthday. I am 22 today, and if you subscribed and liked this video, it would really make my birthday. It would mean so much to me. But I mean, like, you don't have to. It would just mean a lot to me. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.